If your GMC Acadia won't start and the lights are flashing wildly, don't panic. This is usually a sign of a specific electrical failure. Over 85% of these flashing light symptoms are caused by a battery that can no longer hold a load under pressure. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find out exactly where your Acadia is losing its connection. Start by checking for loose battery terminals and verifying your voltage, as low power causes the modules to flicker and reset. The negative battery cable is a notorious failure point on GMC SUVs, often causing the exact flickering you are seeing. If you hear a rapid clicking sound along with the flashing lights, your battery cells are likely too weak to engage the starter. You can handle cleaning terminals yourself, but if the body control module needs programming, you will need a professional scan tool. Repair costs vary wildly, from a simple $100 battery cable fix to over $600 for a new control module. Try a jump start using a solid engine ground. If the flashing stops and it starts, your battery is definitely the culprit. Keep a 10mm socket and a wire brush handy, as these are the primary tools for solving GM electrical gremlins. Remember that modern vehicle electronics are incredibly sensitive. Even a slightly weak battery can trigger a total system shutdown. Check your connections first before buying parts, and you'll have your Acadia running smoothly in no time.